In this video, we'll have a look at how we install an ABAX device in a van where the battery is located in the passenger footwell. In the Mercedes Sprinter, the first thing we need to do is remove the floor mats. Both simply pull out. And here we have the battery box cover. We also need to remove the manufacturer toolkit, which handily actually contains the tool we need for this job. We loosen the 4 screws. And the cover simply slides off. Next, we'll need to undo one of the nuts on the positive terminal of the battery and the one on the negative. It's a 13mm and a 10mm. We connect the black wire of the ABAX device to the negative battery terminal. And we connect the red wire to the positive. Replace the cover. Ensure that the wire of the ABAX device will feed out through one of the cable runs. And replace the battery box cover, tightening the screws. With the unit flashing because it has power, next we can install the ABAX device. So now that we've got power to the ABAX unit, we need to fit the antenna somewhere where it can see satellite. We can fit it to the top of the dashboard, or if you want to conceal it, we can place it behind the A-pillar. The last thing we'll do is to tidy the wires. And then with everything installed, we can simply just replace anything that we've taken out to fit the device. So again, the floor mats and the Sprinter will just slide back in. And that's the ABAX device fitted.